Welcome to Abhijit's Excel Stat Lab. Today we will cover practical number 5, summary statistics second, computation of measures of central tendency for group data. That is, we will compute arithmetic mean, median, mode for frequency distribution tables. We will use MS Excel by using regular formula method. Since for frequency distribution, we don't have any direct Excel command, we will use only formula method. So let's see in Excel. So this is the practical number 5 and we have frequency distribution of expense range and corresponding frequencies, and we have to use formula method to find mean, median and mode. So let's first look for mean, that is arithmetic mean. So what is the formula for mean? Formula for mean is x bar equal to sum of xi into fi divided by sum of fi. So what does it mean by xi? Xi means midpoints. That is midpoints of each class interval or central value of each class interval. So how to compute this midpoint? We take average of lower and upper limits. That is, we take addition of lower and upper and divide by 2. Let's see how to compute. We use is equal to lower limit 1200 plus upper limit 1299 divided by 2. That is the midpoint of first class interval. Similarly, for second, lower limit is 1300 plus upper limit is 1399 divided by. So in this way, we can find all midpoints. So we know the pattern, so we can write next mid value x 1400 49.5, then 1500 49.5. So in this way, we found all midpoints for each class intervals. Since in the numerator of x bar it is summation of xi into fi, so we have to make one more column of xi into fi, that is multiply xi values by corresponding frequencies fi. So we use formula is equal to click on first xi value into click on first frequency value. So in this way we can calculate multiplication of xi into fi. Then drag down this cell to last row. So in this way we can get all xi into fi values. Let's see if there is any more decimal. So here it is. Some values have one more decimal place. Now we have to find sum of fi and sum of xi into fi to find the x bar. So to find sum of fi, we type Excel command is equal to sum bracket and then select the numbers of frequency values, close the bracket and press enter. So here we get sum of fi as 120. Now for sum of xi into fi, we use same function, that is our same Excel command is equal to sum bracket and select xi into fi values, close the bracket and press enter. So in this way we get sum of xi into fi as well as sum of fi. Now put this sum of xi fi and sum of fi in the formula of x bar and find the x bar. So how we write sum of xi into fi divided by sum of fi. The next line, type 174340.0 divided by 120. How much it is? We take division of these two values. X bar is the 1452.833. In this way, we find arithmetic mean for frequency distribution table. Now let's find median. So let's look the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f upon f into h. Let's see what is the meaning of each symbol. L is the lower limit of median class, n is the total frequency, cf is the cumulative frequency previous to median class, f is the frequency of median class, h is the width of median class. So how to find median class? To find median class, we have to use following steps. First, find n, that is sum of pi, and that we already found 120. So n by 2 is 120 by 2, and it is equal to 60. So we have to look in the CF column. So what is CF column? It is cumulative frequency column. So how to find CF column? That is, we have to find less than CF for the given frequency table. So let's consider first frequency 22 as it is. In the next cell of this column, we type formula is equal to, click on this first less than CF value, that is 22, plus click on second frequency 30 and press enter. That is, here we are doing cross addition of less than CF and frequency values. Then press enter, here we get addition of these two values, and now we can drag this cell to up to last row. So in this way we get all less than CF values. Now using this less than CF column, we can find median class. How to find median class? Now we use this step, find CF such that this CF is greater than or equal to n by 2 for first time. This is the condition to find the median class. Now we found n by 2, so we put the value of n by 2 here, that is 60. Now look in the table in the less than CF column for CF equal to 60 or greater than 60. Now from this less than CF column, we can see 52 is less than 60. So let's look for next value. It is 77. 77 is greater than 60 for first time. So corresponding class is 1400 to 1499. This is the median class. From the less than CF column, we get 77, which is greater than 60 for first time. Thus corresponding class is 1400 to 1499, which is median class. So lower limit of this median class is 1400, n is 120, CF is cumulative frequency previous to median class. Now here we have located this 1400 as a median class. So its previous class is 1300 to 1399 and its CF is 52. So we consider this 52 as cumulative frequency previous to median class. So we use this 52 as a CF. So write CF equal to 52. Then F is the frequency of median class. What is median class? This yellow highlighted class is median class and its frequency is 25. So write 25 here. H is the class width. Class width is 1500 to 1400. We take either two lower limits or upper limits for getting class width. So it is equal to 1500 minus 1400 equal to 100. 100 is the class width. After getting all these values, we use the formula of median. We put each value obtained above in the formula. Put lower limit L is 1400, n by 2 is 60, CF is 52, F is 25, and H is the 100. Now we will solve this step by step. 1400 plus, what is 60 minus 52? That is 8. Then divided by 25 into 100. So 1400 plus 8 by 25 into 100 is, let's see how much it is. 8 by 25 into 100, it is 32. So answer is median equal to 1432. This is the required answer for median. Now next point is find the mode of given frequency distribution. Let's see what is the formula of mode. Mode equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2 times Fm minus F1 minus F2 into H. So let's look at meaning of each symbol in the formula. L is the lower limit of modal class. Fm is the frequency of modal class. F1 is the frequency of pre-modal class. Pre-modal means previous to modal class. F2 means frequency of post-modal class, that is after modal class. H is the class width of modal class. And what is the modal class? Modal class is the class which has maximum frequency. So from above table, maximum frequency is 30. Thus, model class is FM. Its pre-model class is 1200 to 1299 and its frequency is 22. So F1 is 22 and F2 is 25. So we will use these three values to find the mode as well as model class. From above table, model class is 1300 to class 1300 to 1399 has maximum frequency. Thus, model class is 1300 to 1399. Its lower limit is 1300. F1 is previous model class frequency 22. FM is model class frequency. F2 is post model class frequency, that is 25. And H is the class width, and that is again 100. Now we will put all these values in the formula of mode. 1300 plus F1 is 22, FM is 30 minus F1 22 divided by 2 times FM, that is 2 times 30 minus 22 minus 25 into 100. So we write the formula again. 30 minus 22 is 8 divided by 2 times FM, that is 2 times 30, it is 60 minus 22 minus 25 minus 22 minus 25, it is minus 47 into 100. Mode is equal to 60 minus 47 is 13. In the next step, we have to find 18. 8 divided by 13 into 100. 8 divided by 13 into 100, that gives 61.53846. That is 61.854. We can round it to decimal. Mode is equal to 3161.54. This is the mode value of given frequency distribution. In this way, we find arithmetic mean, median, mode for frequency distribution table.